Welcome back to my channel. So how you guys doing? So we are making this fine Duchess fabric with basket effect top. So as you can see, I already folded it. And before then, please subscribe, watch my video down to the end, and share it to friends so that they too can see and watch. So let's get started with our measurements now. I'll go ahead now to take my length. And before then, let me roll it so that on this line, that is where we will start with our measurement. So I will place my tape on the line and get my length. My length that I'm having here is 22.5 inches, 22.5 inches. So that is it. So after that now, I will be taking my neck measurement. My neck measurement here that I'm having is 4 inches that I'm marking. So I will go down by 5 inches. It's a V neckline that we are making. So that is it. So after then, I'll go ahead now to measure my shoulder. My shoulder is 15 inches divided by 4. That will give us 7.5 inches. So that is my 7.5 inches. And then I will have a straight line like this. So I've gotten that. So the next step now is to measure from my shoulder to my chest line, which is 8 inches. So that's my from my shoulder to my chest line, 8 inches. And then I also roll it. So on that line to our chest line, that's how I will start from my bust measurement. And my bust measurement is 34 inches. 34 inches divided by 4, what will it give us here? It will give us 8.5 inches. So that's my 8.5 that I'm marking, adding my stitching allowance by 1.5 inches. So gotten that. So on this line also, that is my chest line, I will place my tape to mark 2 inches. Why doing that is for us to have our armhole curve. Then I'm using my armhole curve to curve it like this. So I've done that, and I also place my tape on the shoulder to mark ½ inch to slope my shoulder. So that is it. I'll use my ruler to slope it like this. So then we'll come to the downside part. That is where we'll get our waist measurement. My waist measurement is 26 inches divided by 4. That will give us 6.5 inches on our tape, adding 1.5 inches for the sewing allowance. So I've done that. So I will now connect my measurement from the bust to the waist. So that is it. So now to get our basket effect, now so I will place my tape like this, and I will mark 5 inches. So on that line that I mark 5 inches, so that's where I will use my ruler to roll it like this. So it will have that V shape. You can also call it that basket effect. So we've gotten that now. So just for me now to cut it out like this. So please, you can watch this video down to the end and also comment and also share it so that others can see and watch. And also subscribe, please, if you are not done that. Hit the subscribe button and subscribe. So I'm still cutting. So what we are working on is the front piece that we are working on now. So I've done that. But before then, let me quickly mark our back neckline. Is by 1.5 inches, and it will be round neck at the back. So I'll cut it first now. So now we have finished cutting the front. So you can see the effect of the basket waistline now, and that is the neck. So this is the front piece. So I'll use this front to cut the back piece now. It's my back piece that I want to cut out now. So I will using my front piece that we cut out and place on it like this, and then adding our zipper side of it, like the zipper allowance. So what I'm adding for my zipper allowance is by 1 inch, 1 inch like this. So that is it now. That is my zipper allowance that I'm adding 1 inch, 1 inch throughout. So we'll just use the front to cut it out. So that is what I want to do now. So I will cut it out using my scissors. You can see why we cut out the neck at the back first. So you can see why I'm cutting it first. So this is how you should do your own when making your own. And please watch it down to the end like the video, so that you can see all the details of this basket effect waistline that we are making. So by the time you watch it, you can see that it's very easy for you to cut and sew by yourself. So I want you guys to read sew it by yourself, have a fabric, and also cut it out. You can even cut it more than I do. So this is it now. So I've cut it out. So now is the front neck now that we are cutting. The front neck is V-neck, remember? So this I'm going to cut it out now. That is for the front neckline. So can you see now that we have cut out the front neckline now? This is it now. So I will be joining my body part now. So to join it now, I will start with my measurement from the butts. So placing my tape to get my butt. My butt is 34. This is 34. The one that remains, we'll count it out 1, 2, 3. So that means we be placing, marking 1.5 inches. Marking 1.5 inches. So coming to the waist, my waist is 26 inches. So this is what we count out 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means we have for the waist 2 inches. Sometimes it's like that. 2 inches. Then we'll connect the lines like the mark together. Connect the marks together. So I was using this front to go and join with the back, starting from the shoulder. We'll join the shoulder now, join the body parts, and our top will be ready. Top is ready, as you can see, our basket effect waistline. So you can see the process that we went and the way we cut it. So I want you guys to also have your fabric and cut your own like this, and also sew it out so that you can wear. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not done that. Please subscribe and like, share, comment, and also share to friends so that they too can learn and watch. So I will also see you guys in my next video. See you guys some other time. Bye bye. Is ready. The basket effect waistline, as you can see, very lovely. So this is the waistline that we are really working on, and this is the v-neck line. So please subscribe to my channel, watch my video down to the end, and also give it a thumbs up so that other people can see and watch and learn, and also comment if you are not done that. Please, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.